Greetings, munofara here? Nhasi tinoda kuita ma-practice questions topic inonzi sets. What we are going to be doing, we are going to revise a test which was written in the method. Ndosaka muchiona tikutanga number 3. If you need this test, then you have to contact me directly or actually ask for it in the comments section. But if you need to contact me directly, you have to do it on the number which I'm going to provide at the end of this lesson. Number 3 iri kuti list the elements of the sets A, even numbers less than 50. Saka I don't think I have to reiterate or to re-explain what an even number is. Asi kana zviri needful, let us say we have a number line. We have a number line like this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on up to infinity. Kana chitaura pamusoro pema even numbers, this is just a quick reminder. Even numbers are these numbers which are factors, not factors rather, but multiples of 2. Even numbers are numbers which can be divided by 2 perfectly without leaving a remainder. Saka panapa on the number line, 2 is an even number, so is 4, so is 6, and so forth. So this concept of even numbers is actually taught at primary level. Saka I am right in assuming that we all know what even numbers are. Maybe the challenge will come panapa pakanzi less than 50. Saka kana chino chiri less than 50, in set notation tinenge tichidai so. This is less than 50. Less than 50 does not include 50. So this is a common mistake. Kana chiti less than 50, hachizi kuverenga 50. Tikuverenga ma elements, not ma numbers, are less than 50. So if we want to present our answer panapa, there are basically 2 ways of doing it. But I'm going to show you the most efficient and proficient way of doing it. Let us say, writing our answer now, A is equal to, takuda kulista even numbers. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Angolista 4 chete. Temptation ndeyekuti urambe uchilista kusvikira ku 48. Why 48? Because 48 ndiyo the largest even number before we get to 50. Saka unogona kuti 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 until you get to 48. Masima sets ane in set notation tine a way of avoiding kulista ma elements akawanda. What do we do? Tinoti talista the first 4 kana kuti the first 3, please make them 4 kana kuti 3, don't make them less than that. Saka talista the first 4 elements tovatazoti and so on. Tonyora the last element, which is what? 48. This will be our final answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on until we get to 48. Vamwewo ndo vanonyora vakadai so. So this is another way of expressing this. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, and so on. Then 40, 44, 46, 48. You can also write like this. Asina Angwinini as your instructor, I encourage you write like this. This was awarded 1 mark. The reason for writing like A is just equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on until 48. In a way kuti we have to avoid monotony. We have to avoid repeating ourselves in order for us to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Because when we are in an examination, we are basically tested on two fronts. We are tested initially on the material. And do you understand how to do the mathematics? Then secondly, we are tested on time management. Can you manage doing certain tasks within a specified time? So it's done, tanga pama assignments, submit this assignment by this time on this day. Then it extends to the examination. Complete these 100 marks, not these 20 questions containing 100 marks in 1 hour 15 minutes or in 2 hours 30 minutes if we are talking of ZIMSEC. Saka, so that we avoid using much time, we should take the path of least resistance. Sezvinongoita mvura kana ichierera inotevera the path of least resistance. So this is the advice I have for you. Let us look at B. So this will be 3A. Let us now look at 3B. 3B yakati iyo, B is equal to natural counting numbers. So when we are talking about natural counting numbers, we have to understand what they are. Saka natural counting numbers anogona iwo kungonzi panapa yanga ichigona kungouya yakati iyo B is equal to just natural numbers kana kuti counting numbers. So natural numbers kana kuti counting numbers. Then the set of natural and counting numbers is also called n. Mazvona. What are these? Ema number tinoshandisa in everyday living, in everyday life. Numbers atinoshandisa kuverenga zvinhu. And apana patinoverenga zvinhu tichitangira pana 0. Pana patinoverenga tichitangira pana 0. Rather tinotangira pana 1. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unomombe ngani? Rino 50. Watanga kuverenga uchiti 1 zosvika pane mombe yechi 50. And I think this is clear. Saka natural numbers kana kuti counting numbers tinenge tichitangira panani? Insert notation now. Nakakuda kunyora wa answer. Kutangira pana 1, 2, 3. They are all numbers by the way. Maybe 24 and so on. And so on kusvika p. Kusvika ku infinity. Infinity being a term yatinoshandisa kuidentify unending numbers. You see? Saka, basically this is going to be our answer. Panapa you can choose to write the first 3 elements or first 4 elements. Ngasa wanda. Usanyora 10 elements also and so forth. Ukatongonyora 4, ukatowandisa 5, that will be fine. So basically, this is number 3 for you. Let us go to the next number, which was number 7C and also 7E. Number 7 iri kuti write down the next 3 members of the following sets. Tikatarisa pa C tina 1, 4, 9, 16 iri kuda the next 3 members of that set. What we have to do kuti tiwane the next 3 members of that set, we have to understand something. What we basically have to understand, kuti, what is the pattern? Remember, we defined mathematics as a study of relationships, a study of patterns. Saka pattern irapo ichi. One of the easiest, quickest, and cleanest ways of finding out the pattern in numbers in a number sequence is to look at the in-between number. Saka toda kutarisa the in-between number. When I want to say the in-between number, what we do is tinoti 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Saka panapa we have 3. Saka the way we look at it, 34 minus 1 tukawana 3. Tikati futi 1 plus 3 tinowana 4. Saka 3 ndiyo number iri pakati panapa, in between number. We can come then here, takuti isusu 9 minus 4 we get 5, of which 4 plus 5 inotipa 9. Takuda iso zvakare, takuti 16 minus 9 tinowana 7, of which 9 plus 7 inotipa 16. Saka we have 3 in between numbers. Atova 3 kudaro, we can determine, we can know what is the relationship between those numbers. 3, 5, 7. If you think hard enough, you quickly notice that the in between numbers edu, they are prime numbers. And what is a prime number? We have defined this again and again. A prime number is a number with two factors, one and itself. A prime number, in number inokwanisa kungova divided into by itself and also by one. So since taziva the relationship existing between my in between numbers, what we now have to do is we have to find the next in between number, of which the next in between number is the next prime number after 7. Saka has 8 nekuti 4 anopinda muna 8, has 9 nekuti 3 anopinda muna 9, has 10 nekuti 5 anopinda muna 10. Saka ndeani ndi 11. So ari 11 kudaro, what we now need to know is what is 16 plus 11. Why at 16 plus 11? Because ndiyo relationship zvakare iri between manamba ari pamusoro neari pazasi. Panapa tati 1 plus 3 tikawana 4. Panapa tikati 4 plus 5 tikawana 9. Kureva kuti tikati 16 plus 11 chawanani 27. Saka 27 is our first number, kana kuti member of this set. Then manje tadaro, what is our next prime number? Our next prime number is going to be, 12 cannot be because of 6, saka ndi 13. Then takuti isusu 27 plus 13 tinowanani? Tinowana 40. What is our next prime number? 14 aite because of 7, 15 aite because of 3, 16 aite because of 4, saka ndeyani is 17. Then takuti 40 plus 17 kuti tiwane ani? Kuti tiwane 57. Saka pamusoro panapa, the numbers which are required, it's 27, 40 and 57. I think you have understood, especially now yechi in between numbers. Saka tikawana ma in between numbers edu, then totsvaga relationship. Tatsvaga relationship ichatudza the next 3 in between numbers which are usable kuti tiwane zvatiri kuda. Let us now look at E. Saka pa E zvanoda kuita, I want to feign kana kuti kunyepedzera ignorance kuti ive a teachable moment. What do I mean? Let us say toda kutsvaga ma in between numbers again pa E panapa, which is actually one of the earliest steps many of you will take. Saka kuti timawane tati tinoti number inotevera, subtracting number iri kuitevera. Saka 1 minus 1 then it's 0, okay? 2 minus 1 ndi 1, okay? 3 minus 2 then ndi 1, okay, and 5 minus 3 ndiani ndi2. Takatarisa ma-in between numbers edu, it's very impossible, very difficult kuti tiwane any relationship there. Someone might think kuti since yati 011 inofanga kuzoti 22, and but mubvunzo ndewekuti by what rule have you actually written there? Wazwana kupi ndo mubvunzo. Saka panapa manje, this is a special sequence. This is a special sequence. What do we mean kana tichiti this is a special sequence? This is actually called a Fibonacci sequence. Saka you can go and do further research on what the Fibonacci sequence actually is. The Fibonacci sequence, maybe if you like reading, if you have read Dan Brown, especially bhuku rake rinonzi the Da Vinci Code, there are chapters dedicated to, in passing of course, because this is a work of fiction, dedicated to the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence zvainotaura hama dzangu ndezvekuti tikati 1 plus 1 tinowana 2. Saka we just add manumber 2 ekutanga towana echi 3, which is this 2. Tikati 2 plus 1 tichawana 3. Tikati 3 plus 2 towana 5. Kureva kuti this number teta kuti 5 plus 3 kuti tiwana 8. Then from there, 8 plus 5 kuti tiwane 13. Tozoti 13 plus 8 kuti tiwane 21. As easy as that. Saka we have special sequences. Tine ma-sequence ari special akaita se-Fibonacci sequence. Atori nenzira inoshandiswa kuti timawane. Of course, by this name, you can rightly assume kuti someone called Fibonacci ndiye akagadzira this sequence. So I put this actually as a difficult question. In my marking, the predetermination was panapa, it's 1 mark, but panapa and there's 2 marks. Because I know kuti very few people know about the Fibonacci sequence. And by the way, our course reader, the new general mathematics book, this question I took it from book 1. The Fibonacci sequence is introduced in passing in book 1. So we are done with this question. Our next question is going to be number 9. Number 9 irikuti, if A is equal to African countries, then part A, Zambia, asterisk A, then A, asterisk Zambia. Saka this question is actually following question number 8. Yanga ichiti iyo we have to replace a star kanaka with a symbol inoshandiswa in sets and a set notation symbol. So we need to relate Zambia to African countries because taudzwa isusu kuti A is a set of what? African countries. So how do we do it? A panapa, our answer is simply going to be Zambia as a country is an element of the set of African countries. As simple as that, as straightforward. Because Zambia inyika iri Africa, kana tine a set iri kutaura about African countries, Zambia is going to be an element. Saka kuri kuti just for out of interest sake, tiri kuti A is equal to tachida ku list tachi ma elements acho. How many countries in Africa? 54, 55 give or take. Taguna kutanga Mauritania, takulista ma countries in Africa. Seychelles, Eritrea, and takulista Niger, and so forth. andika toramba chilista kusvikira esadi pera. Pakulista kwedu taizotosvika paZambia, maybe Zimbabwe, kuri kuti tanga chilista in any particular order. Of course, this is not in alphabetical order, but Zimbabwe is the last country in terms of the alphabet and in terms of other things also, which I'm not going to delve into. Saka ndozviri kuitika panapa. Zambia is basically an element. What about B? B came with a twist. And in order for you to be able to answer B, you have to have a fair appreciation of the symbols used in sets. Saka panapa tiri kuti A andiri contains, you see, Zambia. You understand? A, it brackets Zambia, because Zambia is of A, of which A is representing what? African countries. Saka we can say A includes Zambia. Part of A includes Zambia. This symbol in sets, it means includes. Very uncommon. Common symbols in sets and happy element of course, not element of. Then you can talk about subset, cannot not subset of, but especially common elements. Saka this was the challenge, especially Patinoi Yekuti includes. But I think now it's fairly understood. Having done question number 9, we have to go over question number 11, but we are looking at 11B and also 11C. Question 11, irikuti rewrite the following using set notation. Then B, irikuti 3 belongs to the set of digits. Saka, since 3 belongs, so that 3 is an element. In set notation, 3 is an element of the set of what? Digits. Saka, this is straightforward. I hope it's straightforward. C manje yati 3 is a digit. Sazuri panapa ndezvekuti ukati 3 is an element of digits, you are not particularly wrong. You are not wrong, but you are not right also. If we are really looking at sets with ultimately, our answer here rather should be digits. The set of digits includes number 3. Even though Kanyora that the examiner does not have a right to sakumakira, but in a year yapasa vanhu vakawanda, you might lose a mark there. This is the most accurate way of expressing it. And I don't know if you understand why I'm saying that. The difference between 3 belongs to digits and 3 is a digit. So you either way, you can write this, no problem. You can also write this. You'll be more right if you write it like this. So tapeza number 11, if you have questions like is our culture, go to the comments section, ask your question, or take the number I'm going to provide at the end of this video, save it in your WhatsApp, ask me the question. Either way, the way you think works better for you. But by so saying, we are done with question number 11. The next question I'm going to be focusing on is question number 12 and question number 18. Number 12 irikuti, if A is a set of numbers less than 6 and A is also an element of natural numbers. Remember our definition of natural numbers. These are rounding numbers. numbers we use in everyday counting, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. B is equal to a set of odd numbers where B is an element of also natural counting numbers. Then A irikuti, find the intersection of A and B. Saka panapa intersection of A and B tunayowana say we have to list out A. So in listing out A, saka taudzwa isusu kuti A it's a number which is less than 6. Okay. But zvanzi A should be what? An element of natural numbers. What this tells us about A is kuti chekutanga A yedu is going to be a whole number. Nepamusana pekuti ma natural counting numbers ese they are whole numbers. And then chechipiri A inofangwa kutangira pa 1 ichienda. And the reason atati 1 ndeyekuti tati susu we do not count tichitangira pa 0, tinoverenga tichitangira pa 1. Saka here A is going to be this set starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Close bracket. Why tagumira pa 5? It's a number less than 6. 6 is not less than 6. 6 is equal to 6. So that is a fundamental fault, not a fundamental fault. Unoita ma students akawanda kutadza understand the demands of the question. Let us now look at B. B at odd numbers. Of course, these are going to be what? Natural numbers. Saka B ainetse. B is actually what is called an open set. Saka 1 is an odd number. Let me repeat. 1 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. Because 1 is not a prime number, we tend to apply that principle universally. 1 is a factor. Actually, 1 is a universal factor, a factor which gets into any other number known to mathematics. Then secondly, 1 is also an odd number. Saka we begin from 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Saka pane zvinhu zvakakosha zvatoda kutaura panapa. Chekutanga ndechekuti this is called a closed set. Saka kana riri closed set, we have a last element, a non-last element. Chorode tanga tainyora takati A is equal to, for some reason, toti 1, 2, 3 and so on, 25. Emphasis iri pakuti chero tikaisa and so on, so long tine this last member, cannot last element, it's still a closed set. But ino E is called an open set. So an open set extends to infinity. An open set is unending. It goes and goes and goes indiscriminately. So it's just something you should know. Saka uyu ndiye A wedu, uyu ndiye B. Kana takuda kuziva kuti A intersecting B ndeyani, hazvifaniri kutinetsa. Knowing kuti intersection inoreva ma common elements between A na B. Saka tikatarisa in A, a closed set, ticompare na B, open set, we find out kuti 1 is common, then 2 haimo umasi 3 irimo, 4 haimo umasi 5 irimo, close set. Saka this is going to be the answer 135. But because my students did not know, or rather had a mistake, they didn't know this is an odd number, and this is very important effect. So kana tadaiso hazvifaniri kutinetsa. Pana papazoti The universal set is equal to the set of numbers between 0 and 10 exclusive. Zvinorevei kana chiti exclusive. We have two words anowanzo kushandiswa in description. Tina exclusive, tina inclusive. Saka for exclusive, tinenge tichireva kuti we are going to include outer bounds. We are including outer bounds. But inclusive, tirikungo taura pamusoro pema inner members. Saka kana chiti outer bounds tiri kuti numbers between 0 and 10, but we are including 0 na 10. Ndozvinoreva kuti exclusive. You understand? Asi kana dei zvanga zvanzi inclusive, andika numbers between 0 and 10 inclusive, tanga tisingaverenge 0, tanga tisingaverenge 10. So pakangoepo pakangonzi numbers between 0 and 10, it's against reason kuinclude 0 na 10, because tikuda manumbers ari between 0 na 10. I don't know if logic is making sense there. Saka zvikazonzi exclusive zvakunzi no, exclude normal logic, exclude normal reason, include 0 na 10. That is what that means. Kureva kuti kana takuda kuiweka ino ishi, we come here, we define the universal set, numbers between 0 and 10. Saka tikutangira pa 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kana chinyora universal set ndowanzofarira kunyora ma-elements ese kuitira pamacomparisons andinozoita. Saka the universal set tainyora. Draw a Venn diagram illustrating the information below. So for a Venn diagram, we need the universal set. We need A, which is defined as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we also need B. Yava now a subset of the universal. Kureva kuti panapa yanga iri an open set zienda na kuenda, but haitazi open set. Pamusana pekuti yava within the universal set. Saka B yedu kana takuinyora futi inenge yava 1, 3, 5, 7. Then what's the next odd number? 9. Yogumira panapa. Kuti isaita say isa include no, because 9 is the last odd number. Unatakatarisa this set. So using these 3, we can now have what? Our universal set. Let us clear up space and put it neatly. So this is the information we have. Then this is our Venn diagram like this. We have A as a subset. We have B as a subset. Then elements are common between A and B. Define kuno uku. What answer did we get here? Elements are common between A and B. We have 1. And now 1 are common. 2 hazi. As 3 are common. 4 hazi. As 5 are common. Saka we have 1, 3, 5 intersecting region. Totarisa A. Taudanyora ma elements are na A kete. Saka 1 atonyorwa. Tonyora 2. 3 atonyorwa. Tonyora 4. Then 5 atonyorwa. Toenda kuna B. Totarisa 1 atonyorwa. 3 akatonyorwa. 5 akanyorwa. Saka muno muna 7 na 9. Toenda kuuniversal set. Tona 0 anakunyorwa. Asi 1 anyorwa. 2 anyorwa. 3 anyorwa. 4 anyorwa. 5 anyorwa. 6 ana. 7 anyorwa. 8 ana. 9 anyorwa. 10 ana. Saka this is our universal set. It's very this is the Venn diagram actually. That is the Venn diagram. So that concludes our question. We now have to go to the next question, which is our last question in this exercise. In this question, we are told that the universal set is equal to a set of numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 10. N is a set of even numbers. F is a set of numbers divisible by 5. And G is these are numbers greater than 3. So before we go anywhere, pama-sets, it's very sacrosanct, important, vital, extremely important kuti tange taita list out different sets atiinawo. I'm going to be doing my working here. Saka if there is need, unogona rewinder, you copy the question down so that you can follow through. But pakunyora masets angu manje ndaudzwa inini kuti universal set numbers kubva pana 1 kusvika 10. Saka ndinowanza kumanyora ese because ndinoda kuzoshandisa for comparison. Saka ndakutongonyora ese sezvaari. Then taudzwa isusu kuti n is a set of even numbers. So n automatically is subset universal set. Saka tiri kutsvaga even numbers are between what? 1 and 10. Saka of course we have 2, 4, 6, including 10 yacho. Like this. Tadaro manje tava taudzwa isusu kuti tina f numbers divisible by 1. So f is equal to, numbers divisible by 5. Saka tina 5 padaita 10. Ndo ega manamba anokwanisa kudividwa na 5 ari within the universal set. Ndokubva taudzwa pamberi kuti tina g. Zvanzi g, these are numbers greater than 3. Some numbers are greater than 3. 3 is not included. So tungotangira pana 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Saka talista masets edu sezvaari. A yedu iri kuti write down the following statement using symbols. 5 and 10 are both greater than 3. Saka inogona kunyora yakadai so. Tinongogadzira kaseta aka kana 5 na 10. Handiti zvanzi they are what? Both greater than 3. So greater than 3. Of which titori naro set racho kudhara. Saka strictly speaking, answer yedu pa A, the F is greater than 3. Asi kana ako wakadzira set 5, 10 is greater than 3, tinongomakawo hedu sevanhu vane tsitsi. Asi kana takuda kuteedzera chaizvo pa A, answer ndi F is greater than 3. What about B? B yati iyo, if A is a number such that A is an element of n, kureva kuti A ari muna n, takaudza zvakare kuti A is an element of F, A ari muna F zvakare, takazodzwa kuti A is an element of G, A ari muna G. A ndiani? Saka question in as much as iri kubvunza kuti A ndiani, in other words, iri kuda kungoti iri kungobvunza question yekuti what is n intersecting F intersecting D, because tiri kutsvaga a common element iri muna n, F na G. Saka of course tofunga kushandisa the smallest set. Kutanga na 5. 5 haamu muna n, saka 5 cannot be the answer. Tozoenda pana 10. Toona kuti muna n 10 arimo, muna G 10 arimo, kureva kuti A ari equal to 10. Kureva kuti kana wanga usina kunyora masets ako zvakanaka, we are going to see here we are not going to answer these questions correctly. Saka I think we all understand why tati 10 because ari kuwanikwa muna n, F na G. Let us go to C. C yati iyo, if B is a number such that B is an element of N, and saka B iri muna N, and B is not an element of G. What is B? Saka tiri kutsvaga element iri muna N asi isiri muna G. Saka muna N tina 2, 4, 6, 10. 2 haamo muna G, asi 4 arimo, 6 arimo, 8 arimo, 10 arimo. Kureva kuti automatically B ndiani? Ndi2. Saka apa chachingodiwa basically just understanding basic English actually, and also not panicking, trying to find the answer. D iri kuti draw a Venn diagram showing the universal set N, F and G. Saka nchaisa Venn diagram rangu apo. This is going to be my Venn diagram. Saka panapa tine masets api? Tina N, tina F, saka N, F, tina futi G. Yakadai so. Saka na tine element inowanikwa muna N, F na G. Inonyorwa papi. Kutoza kuti element yacho ndiani? Tatoitsvaga ndi 10. 10 iri kuwanikwa muna N, F na G. Inonyorwa panapa. Pati panapa. Urikuona? Pari kusangana N, F na G ndo painonyorwa. Yanyorwa ipapo taakuti kudini? Taakuti isusu let us look maybe muna F, because F is the smallest element and the smallest set. F is the smallest set. Saka looking at F manje, what we see is 5 ino-ish. Mapona 5 iri kuwanikwa zvakare muna G. Kureva iko kuti F intersecting G iri equal to chi? To 5. Let me use a different color kana ndakuita ma illustrations angu kuitira kuti zvisazo confuse. F intersecting G iri equal to chi? To 5. Which means kuti F na G panapa munonyorwa 5 because ndo pari kuintersectani F na G. Zvadaro F yapera because F ingori ne 2 ma elements 5 na 10. Saka tatomanyora 5, 10. Okay. Taita izvozvo manje. Let us look at N. Mapaona. Saka tikatarisa N, ngatitarisei kuti N ane relationship here na F. Anayo ya 10 chete. Kureva iko kuti pana N intersecting F like exclusively. Tisingaverengi 10 iri kuwanikwa in all sets. We have nothing per region inoi because 5 uyu haamo muno umu. Saka zoreva kuti tatarisa relationship yani ya N na F, takutarisa relationship ya N na G. Toda kutsvaga intersection pakati pa N na G. Saka tikatarisa N na G, tunaona kuti 2 ino-ish haimo munani muna G, saka iri muna N chete. What about 4? 4 irimo ish, togona kutoikansela panapa. Saka 4 inofanira kunyorwa mukati umu. Chinge chaita chidiki chino ichi. Kandizame kupa wedzera shoma kuti panyorwe zvinhu zvakati wandei like this. Saka mukati muno muchanyorani? Chanyora 4 andika, then 6 irimo futi umu chanyora futi 6 andire, then 8, saka 6 ish taicheka, 8 irimo futi umu saka chanyorani 8, then 10 yatonyorwa kudhara 4, 6, 8 ndo intersection ya N na G. Saka tikabvisa 2 tatonyora kudhara ndiri 4, 6, 8, 10. Toona kuti muna N muchangosara muinani? Muina 2. Then tikauya kuna G kunoku, tikuona kuti 4 yatonyorwa as intersection, 5 yanyorwa as intersection, 6 yanyorwa, 7 haina kunyorwa saka muno muna 7, then 8 yanyorwa as intersection, 9 haina kunyorwa samuno muna 9 then 10 iri apa. You see, takuda manje kuchitarisa kuti ko kunoku kunze kunei, saka 1 inoi haimo muno, saka 1 chanyorwa kuno, 2 arimo, ko 3 amo zvakare, asi 4 arimo, 5 arimo, 6 arimo, 7 arimo, 8 arimo, 9 arimo, 10 arimo. Saka this is going to be our Venn diagram. The test we can do panapa, test toda testa ndeyekuti tikaenda pana n tikuona ma-elements ari na n ndi 2 4 6 10. 2 uno uyu, 4 uyu, 6 uyu, 8 uyu, 10 uyu, saka n akwana. Tikaenda kuna f 5 10, 5 uyu, 10 uyu, f akwana. Tikaenda kuna g tina 4 ari panapa, 5 uyu, 5 uyu, 6 6 uyu, 7 7 uyu, 8 8 uyu, 9 9 uyu, 10 10 uyu. Then 1 3 is complements of, saka 1 3 inenge iri a complement of what? Of n union f union g complement. You see, saka 2 uyo tinogona kutomuwanira kuti akamira sei. 2 iyeyo at least aonekwa kuti is a standalone. 2 is a standalone, haisi kuwanikwa muna f zvakare, haisi kuwanikwa muna g, iri kungowanikwa muna n. So this is the work we wanted to do. If you have any questions, use the comments section. But if you don't want to use the comments section, you want to talk to me directly, you can get to me on this number 710469150. So it's +263 710469150. This is available on WhatsApp. Saka this is available for those especially varikuda ma lessons, extra lessons, varikuda tutoring, especially Zimbabweans, because we use Shona in this channel. Those who are preparing for their junior examinations, we have online tutoring, online lessons. So kutoti bepa iro riri ratonyorwa namwe ma students atiri kubatsira online. And this revision, even though it's going to benefit everyone who is able to find the video on YouTube, it's actually tailor-made for those students. Saka, in as much as it can be possible just to learn by looking at the free videos on YouTube, you need guidance, because I tailor-make my lessons targeting the students I am teaching. So if you want extra help, WhatsApp me on that number 071 046 9150. Otherwise, thank you for your attendance to this class and take care.